Hi Keystone Nation, I'm Mike Stevens, District Sales Manager for Bullet at Keystone RV. Today, we're going to walk through the 312 BHS floor plan, which is all new for the Bullet product lineup. Let's take a look. So the first thing that stands out about this floor plan is how uniquely the back area is arranged. The adjustable queen bed goes up and down very easily with the press of a button, right over here to the side. This recreational area over here is used for many different reasons. You can use it for watching movies, gaming, sleeping. This folds down into a bed. Obviously, you have the queen bed above that can come down and kind of create a bunk feel. Right here is where you're going to mount a television. You can go as large as you want. And then over here, you're going to have your key TV hookups and also an inverted outlet if you have the SolarFlex 400 or the 200 with an inverted, with the inverter. We've got storage up above for your wardrobe or anything else that you really want to store here. So it's a very versatile area. The other thing that's great about this is the large door that's back on the back. It's 32 inches by 48 inches, and it's big enough to put bikes, electric bikes, or even kayaks in here and store them while you're traveling. The entertainment center is conveniently located directly across from the seating area. It has plenty of storage on the underneath side. It's very deep, so you can put a lot of different items inside of here and store them safely while you're traveling. The other thing I want to point out is that this does have the theater seat option in it. It comes standard with a tri-fold that'll also fold out and make a bed. So if you have additional sleeping needs, you can arrange it that way as well. Let's take a look over here in the kitchen. This kitchen setup is extremely user-friendly in this 312 BHS. We have a nice drawer bank right here. You have plenty of counter space for your prep work, for cooking or prepping food. You have the pop-up outlet to be able to plug in any of the electric items that you're going to want to use inside of here. You also have got some storage on the underneath side to be able to store pots and pans underneath the oven. Just a lot of really good features inside of here. Plenty of overhead storage. And then over here on the side, we've got the Dream dinette. Take a look at how easily this functions. The bathroom in here is also extremely user-friendly. You have a nice counter, you have a medicine cabinet here with a mirror, and you also have a big storage area for your linens, or you could use it for overflow with a wardrobe if you'd like. It's equipped with a tub for the kids, and you also have got a nice skylight overhead to give you a little bit more overhead space if you're taller when you're taking a shower. We've got plenty of space also when you get out to be able to actually change and get ready to go once you're finished showering. The bedroom has a full-size residential queen. We also have our pillow side shelving. It's CPAP friendly, so that way if you do need that, you've got an area down low for you to be able to store it. We've also got a porthole from the top shelf to the bottom in case you need to run any type of wires to plug in. There are inverted outlets also inside of here, as well as USB ports. This has got plenty of storage on the inside for any of your hanging garments. And on top of it, we've added 2 different drawers here for you to be able to store anything else that you'd need. It has a laundry chute that goes down to the pass-through storage. That way you can get rid of any of the dirty clothes. You don't have to have them eating up other storage areas or just being in the way. But the other thing that's great is this very, very deep storage area back over here. So you can use that for extra wardrobe or anything else that you need to store. The last thing I want to mention is it does have a second AC in this particular unit. That is an option, so you can stay nice and cool in here if you're in a warmer climate. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough on this new Bullet 312 BHS. For additional stats and information on the floor plan and others, please visit us on the web at keystonerv.com/bullet. And remember, with Keystone Bullet, you always camp better.